Hi there, students. To bear out, to bear somebody out, to bear something out. Okay, here we have another phrasal verb with bear. Okay, so to bear out, to corroborate, to prove that something is true, to confirm, to provide evidence for, to demonstrate. So, the facts do not bear out his story. They don't confirm his story. They don't agree with his story. They proposed a theory and then they did some experiments which bore out what they had said. Yeah, they bore it out. Okay, so to bear out, to support something. Notice we can also use the phrase to bear out, meaning to support to the end, to continue to the end, particularly in the phrase, please bear me out. So please let me continue until I finish. Yeah, I use this phrase the whole time. Maybe a student wants to interrupt and ask a question, and I say, bear me out, and I will answer your question at the end. Yeah, so continue with me, continue to the end. So you are very kind to bear me out, to listen to me, but most commonly, whoa, just bear me out, just let me finish speaking, let me explain all of it. Okay, so to bear out, to prove that something is true, yeah, to support the truth of something. Okay, let's see. Tell them what happened and I will bear you out on it. I will support what you say. Okay, so this idea, I will give evidence in favour of, I will confirm, substantiate. The company's claim that this pill helps you lose weight is not borne out by experimental evidence. Okay, so if something bears out what you're saying, it shows the truth of it. Recent studies have borne out the claims that this originated from outer space. Okay, they've agreed with it, or they didn't bear out the claims that this came from outer space. So people can say things, they can claim things, they can affirm that they're true, but they're much more believable if they are borne out by evidence, if they're underpinned, if they're supported by evidence, yeah, or maybe even by authority. I made a decision which was really beyond my pay grade, but my boss bore out my decision. Yeah, he supported it. Okay, so to show to be truthful. Yeah, the witnesses in court bore out the story. My friend will bear out my alibi. Bear it out. So notice it's a separable phrasal verb. And then this phrase, please bear me out, bear him out, listen to the end, carry on supporting, yeah, carry on listening, carry on with him, yeah, just bear me out for a moment, listen to the end, and then you will understand. Yeah, if you could bear me out for a minute or two, I will explain everything and then you will actually understand, okay? So to bear out, how formal is this? I think this one's probably, I'm going to give it a 4.75 in formality. I think that with the meaning of to corroborate, to show something is true. I think that you could use definitely in an informal conversation and in a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure in something very formal. I think I might want to use the word corroborate or underpin or something like that more formally. And then this phrase, bear me out, I think I'd probably give this a 4.5 or even a 4.25 in formality. I think bear me out is something I would use only in an informal conversation or only in conversation. So I would like to thank you for bearing me out, for listening to this point. The origin, well, this comes from the bear, which comes from the Old English word beran, which ultimately comes from the Proto-Indo-European word berenti, to bear or to carry. Okay? So, yeah, as I said, thank you for bearing me out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To bear out.